Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at the Toyota 4Runner SR5 TRD Off-Road. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in Barcelona red. Under the hood you'll find a 4-liter V6 riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your 2 front tow hooks, fog lights and daytime running lights, got turn signals on the side mirrors, running boards and roof rails. But now why don't we hop inside this 4Runner and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons. That's our panic button. Press the unlock button once through the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. On the bottom of the door you do have some nice storage space. Above it you have this nice little handle here. And on top are your power windows and locks. Next to the door you do have your power mirrors. Equipped with all weather mats and black leather seating. And on the bottom you have your power seating adjustment buttons. And before we hop in, just to show you, we got this nice TRD stitching in the seats. So now let's go in. We're going to start this 4Runner up. First, we're going to take a look on the left, as always. Here you got this cluster here, and this will just help you navigate through your entertainment screen, located center. You also have your volume options just below that. On the right, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system and your display button, which allows you to navigate through your multi-information display. And behind the wheel, you do have your cruise control speed settings. Now we're going to move on to our screen. Right now we're on home. It's got this split screen going with the navigation app and any device that might be connected. You can also press that, the map will enlarge. Audio, twice, takes you to your sources. You got your AM and FM. You also have a choice between CD, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Backup camera, there it is. You get nice guidelines as well. Moving down to our climate control system, it's nice and simple. You got these nice, smooth turning dials. Underneath, you have some storage space and compartments, USB auxiliary, and your 12-volt outlet. Here you have your cup holder, and next to the shifter, you have this nice little space here, perhaps for your phone, accompanied by another cup holder, and behind the shifter you have your driver and passenger heated seats. Center console, huge, features a 12-volt outlet as well. And lastly is the glove box, drops down for you, just press that button. Lots of room in here, but now let's just close that right up. So before we hop in the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom of the door, you do have some storage space just like the driver's side, as well as this nice little handle here. Continuing with the all-weather mats and black leather seating, and we do have that nice red stitching here as well. Behind the 2 front seats, you do have these nice little nets for some extra storage. In the center here, if we pull this down, you do have 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest. And lastly, these seats do fold down. You got this button right here. Just give that a press, and that'll give you access to your cargo. So to open up, all we got to do is press this button right underneath here, and that liftgate will open nice and easy. Lots of cargo space in the 4Runner. If we go inside, we got some nice little storage compartments on the right and left. Of course, like I showed, the second row seating does go down in case you need that extra bit of cargo space. And lastly, to close up, got these handles on both sides. All you got to do is just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our Toyota 4Runner SR5 TRD Off-Road. Once again, some of those great interior features include your black leather heated seats, backup camera, Bluetooth audio, and navigation. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.